Flying radiation slime. Oh. And also welcome to episode 16, 15, I don't know. And also I'm sorry if I didn't post for a few days. It's because the microphone had some issues working. So let's get into the video. Well, fake slime says a happy story. I was thinking that you update them with add like electricity slime, that with the electricity rain spawns, you just wreck it. There's like a 10% chance that electricity slime spawns that when you suck it. Sorry guys, if I was standing still that my mom wanted to tell me this, I'm gonna go there to get dog food, right? Don't do anything, right? And I said, okay. Oh, I'm collecting my food. but in Brazilian, which should say Portuguese. Because I live in Portuguese and I like to speak English, because I wished I lived in America, that way I have money. Now you guys know my true intentions, money. And I'm probably gonna have less viewers. Yeah, you can get out. Oh, you don't care about all that. Hey, alright. I guess the goal. Oh, I guess the goal for the agreement. Like who gives a S? I says. Isn't he cute? Oh my god, never mind. Just look straight at his face and Didn't I slam on shirt in the old times? Didn't I in the old times with slam on shirt they had a machine that cost rain and there was also rain time, but they deleted that? The queen can be next to the babies and workers. They look the same. Oh, don't mind me, I'm just like you. What the I promise to swear less, so I'm not saying it. Put the microphone on top of the freaking mouse. Is the thing backward? Oh, I thought my headphones was backward. The crystal slime is like an upgraded version of the rock slime. It's like, hey rock slime, you're a piece of rock slime. One day, I will be the best slime ever. And it turns to crystal slime. I'm tired also trying to find phase trees, so let's get rid of the incinerator and buy a garden. That was fast. Oh, that was fast. Okay, now that was fast. Now it's time to leave. Ah, damn it. Ah! Stupid. Guys, and also the sound backgrounds, I'm sorry guys, I cannot fix the sound backgrounds. It's not the point. Every single time I record a video by using the microphone, the sound backgrounds are just bullshit. Ah, sorry. sound backgrounds, guys. I cannot do anything. That's why the sound backgrounds. The musics are too bad. I don't know how to fix it. I'm also gonna sleep twice because I want those face ones popping out of my trees. No, not. Face. I didn't even take a look at the face tree. Explode pancake with mine. Look at this, guys. Explode pancakes with mine. What are you doing to my pancake? Explode slimes with mine. What the did you do to my slime? Did you ever make like a little like slime thing? Like there's just like little slimes talking, like slime is just it's inside of a black square talking. Rock slime inside of a black square. It's like when you talk to persons on like WhatsApp or TikTok, I don't know. And there's random squares that you can like mute yourself or mute persons if you're the owner. If you make a chat. Yeah. Imagine it was slimes in person. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Something that you can mute yourself, show your body. Don't do that. Don't do that. You know what I'm talking about. Did you ever play scan test games? You have to test it out. It's a scary game if you want to challenge yourself. I already played it and and the first time I got scared. It was like years ago. What is the point of the crystal? Oh, you can get rid of them by using water. Then get out of here. Okay, that doesn't work. More pogo things. Are you serious right now? You show yourself, but in the areas you don't. And I don't have enough money to sell this, so crap. How can even quantum slimes eat phase lemons? They're like one of those fruit or whatever. Okay, it's time to feed these phase lemons to slimes. But not any type of normal slimes. Saber slimes. Oh. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat this. Eat this. Is it delicious? Yeah, your taste buds are literally dying. Yeah, say bye to your taste buds. Because you're going down. Ouch. Oh, look at that. You! Come over here. I have food. I actually fed them over a lot of people. I fed them a little bit too much lemons. Now I only got some lemons. No, don't do that. Okay, that's what I need. That's what I need. I'm now done. Oh my god. I need to pop a Gora. I would need like 25 of the same favorite food. And I almost failed everything. I gotta go dinner now. Dora, I got slimes as my buddies. Oh, that's not one thing. Well, let's get some cocoa buns and just add it or something. Max fire! And I'm not. Seems fake water. Let's jump in out here. Suspicious water. Ah! School just ended. I have like 34 days left, or maybe more. Well, I'm still going to school, but I'm gonna stay in home for a really long time. Unlucky! Oh, fly! Say ripped all those books. Not my fault. Boom! So what did I get? Oh, now I know your secret. First you get your peanut. Okay, you said something about farm. So what's the farm? Oh, miracle mix. Special mix. Increases entire. Oh, so it upgrades my thing. We cannot have 2 queen ants, so this one is gonna be as an ornament. And what can I do with the lucky ornament as an ant? Oh, probably a late. So the lucky ornament can be a late. Queen late. I think they have wings, so I will place them in the sky. And also following the trail. And also following the trail, but this time he's doing a little bit of a shortcut. He's going like this. I would need something like a peppermint food ornament over here. The late, or should I say lucky ornament over there? The lucky ornament over there can be a late, and so the late is going all the way over here, taking a shortcut with the peppermint ornaments, even though there's not even none. I guess we can save some pogo fruits. Oh, they're not done. I mean phase lemons. Damn! $66. 2 plus 200 plus already. $200 already. It's time to say bye-bye. Sorry. I forgot I had this. I can go to the control area faster. What is it called? Ancient ruins. Ancient ruins. Yeah, it's called ancient ruins. Jump. Okay, what up? Don't touch. That can literally be a Freddy, a funky fight thing music. It's not cookie at night, it's porky at night. Sorry. This I don't know what to say. Guys, have you heard those sounds? It was nothing. Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Don't worry, guys, you're gonna die. There are some vehicles not right here. Slime me on these problems. You're dying! Still! No! You're stealing the food! I am totally. Everyone get out. Your property. Your property broken. Stop stealing the food. Where's the goddamn problem? Where is it? There. Two more. Yoink. Ah! No. Not today. Oh, yesterday. Yesterday, I was a tornado. What did I say that? What did I say? Yesterday, I was a little tornado. Oh my god! Risk yourself of dying, of course. But I didn't die. And it's getting dark. That's great. Don't mind. Did you put that down? Don't think about it. No! Piece of gold or whatever. But now, good. I needed that. Special occasions. Can everybody stop turning? Pig infestation is taking over. Oh well, we got a new one. We got a gold and another continent. Worst time ever. Don't mind that sound also. The door is closed. The door was closed. Eat the popo fruits. Please, shopper. Please, shopper. This looks not really promising. Please, shopper. Oh, look at me. Yes, there's the meat. What are you looking at, guys? You're looking at me feeling like, oh my god, what is that? Oh my god. What are you looking at? Guys, also the long side. There for a long time. I wonder where the slimes go. Like when I come to these places, like new slimes spawn. Like I wonder where they spawn. Let's stop blabbering and also I need to go to whatever. It's time to do the thing. After I open the door, I will go to the just wait. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back, and I realized I was all alone. I was home alone in the house, and I'm 10 years old, and there's nothing going crazy right now. Here is the grand place, and I was right. They needed that for content. Of course. Smoke and fire mirrors. Smoke and fire mirrors. Jesus Christ. My God, there's a treasure block there, and I don't even notice, but I just noticed it. I saw something. Anything in the corners? No, there's nothing. Well, there's nothing new. I think this is a start. I think they're still building on this map. There's nothing happening. It's a plant. Hey, yo. Oh! There's a new slime! It's a dervish slime! Twist turns all. Wait a second. Whatever. Twist and turns all day, spirals all night. Diet fruit, favorite pickle pear. What's a pickle pear? What do you do? It spirals, and you have a loompa around your body. So, oh, that's a tornado. Your seeds are usually tornadoes. I want you to come over. This looks like a new slime. So actually, I think yes, they're asking not building on this one. They're asking ready to be done with. Sorry for setting you flying through the sky. Come with me, and we'll explore a new world in heaven. How does it feel like you're happy? You're happy. He's falling slowly. Ow. Whoa, would you look at that rock slime. Oh, would you look at that, another surface one. This time he's angry. And it's bigger. Another dervish slime with painted head. I think I noticed that because of the color. They like that. Oh my God, they're tired. Oh, it's parking. Delicious. What are the tactics? I think I know what it is. I think it just makes the slimes get stuck. It's time to fly. My eye is hurting. Oh, that's rock. Oh, that's another rock. What's this? Got some slimes, chickens, water. These are definitely blue, so these are probably from the rock slime. So we need. Oh, I already have heartbeats. It's good they have heartbeats in this area. Oh, there will be a major problem. Mark's Pizzeria. Did you know Carl Holland? Mark Pizzeria. You know Carl already. Yeah, I only need one. What the hell? What is happening? I don't want to win this then. I don't want to win this. I don't want to die. That's one. That's two. Oh, damn it. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I think I'm freaking dead. Oh my. Save the voice. Yes. Oh, this music's fire, but I'm gonna die also. I'm sure of that. Please! I saw a fire spot. What's behind it? Oh yeah. What the? Is this a firestorm? We got that water storm. No firestorms. Ancient water. Those plants, please. Plants, it's time for the feast on the water. Roger! Holy shit, man, I have to do that again. Fix the cycle of the hotness and fix everything back. Oh my god, there's so many sparks. 5 seconds. Made it! Hell, who are you? Please fly. That's fire. I'm chill. Oh, my mom just got home. Okay, now what's happening? Okay, I already saw something. Who are you? Socks. Normal carrots. What's that sound? What's it? Oh! Explodes. Particles. Oh, that's a tangle. I don't really like jellyfish tabs. It's too dark. What is your diet? Your diet is tangy. Well, now I have to feast off some delicious food. We're gonna end the video here. Are these all the slimes? There's 1, 2, 3 more slimes. No, there's like 4 more slimes left. This is the end, guys. See ya.